tornado watch right now. We're under a tornado watch. All of our bluffs are down. Everything's windy. The rain's getting harder, as you see. We'll see how the weather continues. All right, we'll check in about 30 minutes. All right, guys, we just got a severe thunderstorm watch for our location. Oh, it's not. Oh, there's the flash flood warning. This is what you can see from the inside. It is so soaking wet. Oh, tree's moving. Tree's moving. No. Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna die? Oh gosh, I think we're gonna die. Hi, Mr. Skelly. Are you okay? I know it's raining. Go back out there. You should be stuck up by the tornado. Bye. Oh my gosh, guys, we just got a tornado warning. It looks like we're about to have a tornado touch the ground. I gotta get to the lowest floor. Come on, Quinn. Get the key. We're going to the lowest floor. Lowest floor. All right, bring it. All right, let's go down. Let's go to our lowest floor. All right, looks like we made it to our lowest floor of the rim. Now let's make it over here.
Ow.
What was that?
I just accidentally.
Close the door, close the door. We got
I accidentally
close
did.
it before this. Oh, it looks like we have a tornado touching the ground. I'm looking on my iPad while I'm still screen recording. I literally see tornado. Punching bag! Oh, come in! There's a tornado that touched down. You need to come in. A tornado touchdown. A tornado has touched down. Punching bag, Quinn. Try punching the bag. Oh! That.
I'm kind of scared.
Hear that? Quinn, it looks like we're good to go back upstairs. Turn off the lights. We're going to get out. Oh, it's still pitch black in here. We're good to go upstairs. This is fun, right? This is fun. We're walking upstairs in the dark.
I lost it. Don't worry.
All right, let's see what's happened. Let's see what happened. Crap, it's still heavy raining, but we have a tornado watch until tonight. We just had a little bit of a tornado warning, right, Quinn?
Yeah.
And this is what's happened. What? The ice cream truck got blowing? Look, it's literally flying out. Let's see what happened. Come on, close it, close it, close it. I don't think we're safe to be up here. Should we go back down or should we stay up here and watch the news?
Go back down and watch the news.
Guys, oh my gosh, the weather has gotten way worse. We just got another tornado warning. We gotta get back in the basement to our safe spot. Meet you in the basement. Get to our safe spot. Let's see. Oh my gosh.
Close the door.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
You better try.
Oh yeah. Well, say what's up to the camera.
What's up?
Ooh.
I'm gonna go check if you close the door.
Yeah, we used to play Fortnite this whole time. Alright, it's good to go upstairs, alright?
No, it's not.
You can stay down here, but it said it's good to go up for me.
Okay. Next turn.
Oh my gosh. The heavy rain's not over. Oh my gosh. Well, it looks like it's the end of this video, I guess. Hey, one more. Watch it. Oh! Did the power just go out? Oh gosh. And up there. Oh my god. What has happened? What? At least the TV's working. See you in the next video. It's really dark.